Hello, today we shall be talking about diabetes. What is diabetes? Diabetes is simply a situation where the blood glucose level or the blood sugar level is high, persistently high. Blood glucose level in the morning or pre-fasting blood glucose when it's above 110 milligrams per deciliter of blood is considered, and persistently for about 3 days, can be considered hyperglycemia or diabetes. Blood glucose for an individual who has eaten about 2 hours after, which is persistently higher than 140 milligrams per deciliter of blood, can also be considered diabetes if it stays for over 3 days. How do we manage diabetes? Diabetes can be managed with what we eat, that is calories. Diabetes can be managed with exercises, walking. I am walking. And diabetes can also be managed with drugs, that is in the professional way. Today we shall be insisting on exercise. The exercises we have are walking, running, and farm activities, for instance, or simple walking. Now, how will walking help reduce blood glucose level? Walking will help reduce blood glucose level because it will, in the first sense, help the non-insulin dependent contraction mediated mechanism to go at work. And when this happens, blood glucose drops. It will also help to utilize the glucose and fat available in blood while lowering or balancing cholesterol. Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm trying to say in a nutshell is simple walking is an easy means to reduce blood glucose level. The problem is, how do we reduce blood glucose level? When do we reduce blood glucose level? Blood glucose levels are usually high after a meal. And how? And this suggests that the best period to reduce blood glucose is after eating, about the first 2 hours after eating. Preferably the first hour, that is 60 minutes after eating. Now, when we involve in activities, the first 5 minutes of activities will have to drain the excess glucose that we find in the blood. That is, as our body is trying to absorb the glucose, the walking will also be helping to lower down the glucose level we have in blood. That is for the first 2 or 5 minutes. Now, when we walk persistently or do activities persistently above 10 minutes, it helps to drain the other stores of glucose that are found in the muscles. We call it glycogen. And equally drains other stores we have in the liver. We also call it glycogen. In a nutshell, when this fat or when these glucose stores are reduced to a considerable level, the cells now will be sensitive to glucose. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll not take all of your time, but I would like to recommend walking. Walking immediately or the first hour after eating. This will be a good means of reducing your blood glucose level. Next time, we'll talk about the food we can eat in diabetes. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Bye-bye.